Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you the Hamster Kombat daily combo cards, daily combo missions, and the daily sci-fi code. Alright, so to access our Hamster Kombat, come to Telegram, then launch up the bot. Okay, so when you launch up the bot like this, just tap on play, then wait for it to load up onto your account. So first of all, we're going to start with the daily combo cards. Okay. So to access the daily combo cards, what you're going to do is simple. Come to mine section here, and then you see these are daily combo cards. This one here, fun token, BTC pair, Ethereum pairs, and top 10 CMC pairs. So you can click on any you want. So I'll first of all come and collect this one here, and it will cost me 10,000 coins. Just click on go ahead, and I'll claim it. All right. And then also come on this one here, BTC pair. Okay, then I'll claim it. Then also click on this one here, then also pay this one, and I claim it, as you can see. So I also click on this one here. So make sure you finish all the daily combo cards. Okay, and this one is the last one here. All right, so after that, what you're going to do is to access the daily combo sci-fi mission, okay, or the sci-fi code. All right, so to access the daily combo sci-fi code, as you can see on the top over here, you're not in the sci-fi mode. So to input the sci-fi mode, in order for you to put the code, what you're going to do is simple. Come and tap on this unpad tab or unpad tab over here. So you have to tap on it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. See, when you tap on it 3 times, you will enter the sci-fi mode. And the sci-fi mode, as you can see, it's red in color. And the sci-fi mode has two, the slash like that, the slash, and then the dot. And you can use this one, you can use all these ones, these two, to make a word. So today's daily code is GameFi. All right, so I'll show you the daily code for today. It's GameFi. So to see it, I saved it over here. It's GameFi over here. All right, and this is how to get these letters over here. Now to get letter G, you have to use two lines or 2 dashes, 1, 2, and then 1 dot. Okay, so 2 dashes and 1 dot. So I'll put I'll first of all start with the 2 dashes. So to get the dash, you'll have to click and press a little longer. That's 1 dash, second dash, and then 1 dot, and that is letter G. Okay, and then as you can see, we just get over here and go back here, and then finish up the whole word. As you can see, the whole word is GameFi. And when you finish up the whole word, you'll be able to get the daily combo codes or the daily combo mission on Hamster Kombat. All right, guys. So I won't make this video too long, but that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.